Dad, play the next episode. This cartoon is so funny.
Okay, here it comes. Watch this part.
Alex, it is so loud out here. I am trying to sleep.
Sorry, Amelia. We will keep it down.
Dad, that part was so funny. Play it again.
Okay, one more time. Look at this.
Alex, I said please keep it down. I cannot sleep at all.
Sorry. We did not realize it was that loud.
Can I have the phone, please? I want to listen to some calming music.
Just 5 more minutes, Amelia. The cartoon is almost finished. Oh, this is a very important work call. I have to answer it.
But Dad, the cartoon is not finished yet.
Yes, sir. I am listening. Please go ahead.
The cartoon stopped right at the best part. I cannot believe this.
Sorry, can you hold on one moment? I have another call coming.
How many calls is he going to get today? Dad, are you finished? We want to finish the cartoon.
Shh. I am still on a work call. Please wait.
I want to play my game on it. I need it for my music. I have been waiting all morning.
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
And I want to watch the cricket highlights. It is very important.
Everyone stop. Only one person can use it at a time.
This is becoming a very big problem, Alex.
I know. We only have one phone and everyone needs it. I have an idea. We will make a phone schedule for everyone.
A schedule? What does that mean, Dad?
Everyone gets 30 minutes each. We take turns and share fairly.
That sounds fair. Okay, I agree with this plan. This is great. I have 30 minutes all to myself. Okay, I am waiting for my turn. Please do not go over time.
40 minutes later.
Lily, your 30 minutes finished 10 minutes ago. Give me the phone. Just 2 more minutes, Ethan. I am almost done. Alex, this is my time on the schedule. You already had your turn.
I know, but this work message is very urgent. Just 1 minute.
The schedule lasted exactly 1 day. Nobody followed it properly.
We all broke the rules, including me. I am sorry. Yes, sir. I understand. I will send the report right away.
Dad has been on that phone for 1 whole hour now. I just want 10 minutes of quiet. That is all I am asking for. Mom, are you okay? You look very tired today. Finally, some peace and quiet. This music is so calming. I just need to close my eyes for a few minutes. Just 5 more minutes. So comfortable. Oh no, the phone! It fell in the water! Alex, come quickly! Something terrible happened!
What?
What happened? Oh no, the phone is completely wet.
I fell asleep and it slipped from my hand into the water glass. I am so sorry. Here, take a look.
The screen is not responding at all. It is completely dead.
Can we fix it ourselves, Dad?
Our phone fell in water. Can you fix it, please? Let me check it. Please wait a moment. This will take about 7 days to fix properly.
7 days? That is 1 whole week with no phone. What are we going to do for 7 whole days without a phone?
We will figure it out together. It will be okay.
I do not know what to do. I keep looking for the phone. Me too. The house feels very strange without it. We always play on our phones. Come on, let's play football for real today. Okay, let's go outside. I forgot how much fun football is. Haha! You cannot hit this one. Watch. Look at them. They are having so much fun outside today.
When did they last play outside like this? I cannot remember. This is nice. We are actually talking to each other at dinner tonight.
We should do this every evening. This feels so good. Ha! I won again! I am the board game champion of this family. One more game. I want a chance to win this time.
Amelia slept so well last night. She looks so rested today.
She does look much happier this week, Dad.
Has anyone noticed we have been much happier this week?
Yes, we have been talking, playing, and laughing so much more.
Today's the day I need to go to the repair shop to pick up my phone. Your phone is fully repaired and working perfectly now. Thank you very much. Here you go.
It is back. But I do not really feel like using it right now. Me neither. Can we finish the board game from last night first?
I think that broken phone was the best thing that happened to us this week.
I think you are completely right, Alex. A phone is just a phone. Your family is always more important. How many hours do you spend on your phone every day? Tell us in the comments.